I will compare the new Huawei Pura 70 Ultra with Honor 80. Huawei Pura 70 Ultra comes with 6.8 inches LTPO OLED display and success ratio 21:9. Honor 80 comes with 6.67 inches OLED display and success ratio 21:9. Huawei Pura 70 Ultra run on the Harmonious operating system. Honor 80 run on the Android 12 operating system. Huawei Pura 70 Ultra it comes with 16GB RAM and 512GB 1TB internal storage, Kirin 9010 processor and Mali GPU. Honor 80 it comes with 8GB 12GB RAM and 256GB 512GB internal storage, Qualcomm Snapdragon 782G chipset and GPU Adreno 642L. Huawei Pura 70 Ultra real set triple camera setup, 50MP plus 50MP plus 40MP, front camera 13MP. Honor 80 real set triple camera setup, 160MP plus 8MP plus 2MP, front camera 32MP. Huawei Pura 70 Ultra 5200 mAh battery, 100W fast charging support. Honor 80 4800 mAh battery, 66W fast charging support.